Hello students, I am again here with new video as we were discussing light chapter. So we will continue today. Today we will go through the multiple images. Just take a look here. When two plane mirrors are kept together, kept inclined at an angle, they can form multiple images of an object. If two plane mirrors are kept inclined at an angle, they can form multiple images. We can find the number of images with the help of this formula. Number of images formed is equal to 360 degree by x minus 1. What is x? X is the angle between the mirrors. X is the angle between the two plane mirrors. You have to put the value here. For example, if x is 90 degree, suppose two mirrors are kept this way, angle between them is 90 degree, then the number of images formed is equal to 360 by 90 minus 1. Cancel 90 and 360. Cancel this 4 times, it will cancel 4 times. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So if two plane mirrors are kept inclined and angle between them is 90 degree, then they will form 3 multiple images. So just like that. So kaleidoscope is the example of multiple images. It is an instrument, contains 3 plane inclined mirrors which are produce multiple images and creates beautiful patterns or designs. In kaleidoscope, 3 plane mirrors are arranged in inclined form so that they can form multiple images and they form patterns, beautiful patterns and designs. It is used in textile industries. Patterns are used in textile industry. So more you can go through the book, figure and other things, kaleidoscope. The most important thing is sunlight. Sunlight is the ray of white light. It is the mixture of 7 colors. It is the mixture of 7 different colors. When the ray of light passes through a transparent glass prism, it splits into 7 different colors. This is called dispersion of light. Means splitting of white light into 7 colors is called dispersion of light. These colorful rays are obtained on a white screen. It is called spectrum. In the figure you can see this is a glass prism, transparent glass prism, and ray of white light is passing. Ray of white light is passing and it is splitting in 7 different colors. From bottom to top, in short form, BIBZYOR. These are the colors. This is white screen and this is known as a spectrum. This is glass prism, the ray of white light. And different colors are also written here, BIBZYOR. These are the colors. The full form of colors are here. B for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange and R for red. So these are the 7 different colors. BIBZYOR. It splits. So it is clearly said that the ray of white light is the mixture of 7 colors. Dispersion of light. What is dispersion of light? The splitting of white light into 7 colors is called dispersion of light. What is a spectrum? Band of 7 colors obtained on white screen is called spectrum. So just go through this experiment. It was proved by Newton, a famous scientist. Who has discovered this? The ray of white light is the mixture of 7 colors. So just go through this, and here you will change the angle. You will take different angles, 30 degree, 60 degree, 180 degree, and you will try to find out the number of images. Okay, this much only today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Let me focus the figure, because figure part is very important. This is the figure part. You can see this figure part. Ray of white light passing through the glass prism and is splitted into 7 different colors. From bottom B, I, B, Z, Y, O, R. Your name is written. And full form of these colors are written here. B for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange, R for red. So just go through, try to understand.